Japan is stepping up its maritime defense by incorporating advanced drone technology into its naval operations, according to the newly released 2025 Defense White Paper issued by the Japanese Ministry of Defense on July 16. This strategic move reflects Tokyo's broader effort to adapt to the increasingly unpredictable and contested security dynamics of the Indo-Pacific region. As part of this effort, Japan intends to procure 6 compact UAV systems for shipboard deployment during the 2025 fiscal year, which concludes on March 31, 2026. Although the white paper doesn't name specific models, American aerospace company Shield AI disclosed earlier this year that its VBAT drone had been selected for operations aboard Japanese naval vessels. This was later corroborated by Flight Global. The VBAT is a VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, UAV purpose-built for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and precision strike roles in hostile zones. The drone is engineered for use in GPS and communication-denied environments, making it highly versatile for maritime and littoral operations. With over 13 hours of flight time, a duct fan propulsion system that ensures safety in tight shipboard environments, and multiple advanced sensor packages, including SAR, VDAR optical AI, a laser target designator, and SATCOM connectivity, the VBAT is designed for both adaptability and survivability. Its modular design allows for payloads of up to 18 kilograms, and it can be deployed and airborne in less than 30 minutes. The drone is already fielded by multiple U.S. services, including the Navy, Coast Guard, and Marine Corps, and it has demonstrated success in diverse operational scenarios, both at sea and on land. Planned upgrades suggest it may soon be armed with kinetic strike options, giving it lethal capability in addition to ISR. Japan's shift toward UAV integration extends beyond its navy. The Japan Air Self-Defense Force, JASDF, already fields high-altitude surveillance systems such as the RQ-4B Global Hawk from Northrop Grumman, while the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, JMSDF, operates MQ-9B Sea Guardians for persistent maritime patrol. Mid-range ISR tasks are likely handled by drones like In-Situ Scan Eagle, giving Japan a layered surveillance network over its territorial waters and exclusive economic zones. Tokyo's defense planners are also investing in unmanned ground strike platforms. A new small UAV, specifically developed to engage mobile and stationary ground targets, is being designed to complement manned systems or operate as part of a swarm. In the logistics domain, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries is developing a medium-lift cargo drone that was successfully tested during a humanitarian response drill earlier this year. This UAV is capable of delivering up to 200 kilograms of supplies, supporting both military and civil operations. Further down the technological pipeline is Japan's involvement in the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP, a joint initiative with the UK and Italy to develop next-generation air superiority systems. As part of this program, Japan is helping to develop a loyal wingman-style UCAV, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, designed to fly in formation with manned 6th-generation fighters expected around 2035. These unmanned systems will be semi-autonomous, leveraging AI to carry out electronic warfare and strike missions. Artificial intelligence is emerging as a core enabler of Japan's unmanned warfare strategy. The white paper emphasizes how AI is central to the autonomy and combat effectiveness of future drone fleets. Collaboration with the United States remains a cornerstone in this area, particularly in developing resilient, intelligent platforms capable of surviving in high-threat environments. Additionally, Japan's Acquisition, Technology and Logistics Agency, ATLA, is evaluating 8 new small UAVs delivered this year, focusing on their ability to work in sync with crewed aircraft. These tests are part of a broader vision for a seamlessly integrated manned-unmanned force structure. Taken together, these efforts show Japan moving decisively toward a more autonomous, technologically advanced military posture. The incorporation of drones like the VBAT into its naval fleet is not merely a tactical upgrade but a strategic pivot, enabling Japan to extend its maritime reach, strengthen domain awareness, and prepare for a future of networked, AI-driven warfare. Amid growing tensions with regional powers such as China, North Korea, and Russia, These capabilities will be critical for defending Japanese waters and ensuring operational compatibility with Allied forces in the Indo-Pacific theater.